some news,
Yeah.
news, and
Yeah, I think we try to switch it up here. We try to keep it. Not all of it has to be heavy, and not all of it has to be about people sexually abusing young children. So one of these that came, I think it came on Monday of last week, is from AOL News. It was the headline is entitled "Saudi Clerics Advocate Adult Breastfeeding."
Adult breastfeeding.
Yeah. No, hold on right now. So women in Saudi Arabia should give their breast milk to male colleagues and acquaintances in order to avoid breaking strict Islamic law forbidding the mixing between the sexes, two powerful Saudi clerics have said. A fatwa issued recently about adult breastfeeding to establish, quote, maternal relations and preclude the possibility of sexual contact has resulted in a week's worth of newspaper headlines in Saudi Arabia. Specifically, I think his name is, I'm probably butchering this, Al Obeikan, who made the statement after being asked on TV about a 2007 fatwa issued by an Egyptian scholar about adult breastfeeding, said that the breast milk ought to be pumped out and given to men in glass. But his remarks were followed up by an announcement by another high-profile sheikh, Abi Ishaq al-Huwaini, who said that men should suckle the milk directly from the woman's breast.
So you're saying that Ohaini and Obeikan have issued a fatwa that adult men should be drinking breast milk.
Right. Yes. That's
okay.
And so it says here. This is a little funny bit. Shortly after the two sheiks weighed in on the matter, a bus driver in the country's eastern region reportedly told one of the female teachers that he drives regularly and that he wanted to suckle milk from her breast. And the teacher has threatened to file a lawsuit against him.
Wow,
so there are consequences.
I guess it speaks for itself.
Right. And here's the last bit on here, and this is always at the end of the story, kids. Read this article at the end of the story, because sometimes the most interesting stuff is there. The original adult breastfeeding fatwa was issued 3 years ago by an Egyptian scholar at Egypt's Al-Azhar University, considered Sunni Islam's top university. Azat Atiyah was expelled from the university after advocating breastfeeding of men as a way to circumnavigate segregation of the sexes. So this is a very radical interpretation, even in a place like Egypt, where they're a majority Muslim country. So.
Yeah, well, it could have been that copy of Lactation magazine that they found in the copy of the Quran. We don't know. We don't actually know the real facts, do we?
No.
So I haven't been keeping track of all the fetish fatwas, but I think that's a good opener for it. I like that.
Yeah, maybe high heel shoes. Maybe they banned high heel shoes or something.
Assless chaps. Who knows? Who knows where the Quran is going to take us?